Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to lift and divide snowdrops. Snowdrops are best lifted and divided in the green. That means that you want to lift them just when they've finished flowering. So this is a small border I have underneath an old crabapple tree, and I have lots of spring bulbs and plants here, and I want to add some more snowdrops. So I'm going to dig up these clumps now. Once you've dug up your snowdrops, you want to plant them fairly promptly. They dry out really quickly, which is why moving them in the green is the best way to do this. You'll see that some of the clumps that I've dug up are quite large, so you can either plant them as one clump or you can divide them. To do that, you just carefully want to pull apart the clumps. Now, you can divide them down as far as one bulb if you'd like to, but I'm going to leave them in some smaller sized clumps. When you plant them, you want to plant them to the same depth that they were when you dug them up, and you'll be able to see that by where the white ends on the soil. So I'm going to replant these to the same depth, which in this case was here. So all you need to do is to dig a hole and pop them in. I'm going to do that now. It's a good idea to give them some water once you've planted them. If you don't already have snowdrops in your garden, you can buy them in the green now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more practical gardening videos.